Don't forget the 8 important things when doing the speaking test. Ano yun? Answer in 4 or more sentences. Use sequence connectors. 3 ways to paraphrase. High-level words. Idioms. The 4 types of sentence structure. Huwag yung kalimutan yung complex at compound complex sentences. Tenses of the verb at saka yung intonation. Okay, yun yung 8 important things sa speaking. Huwag nyo nang isipin yung grammar. Ang importante, sumagot kayo ng 4 or more sentences. Kasi mahirap talaga yung grammar. Alright, o sino muna? Ha? Jubel, ikaw na muna, Jubel.
Wag muna, sir.
Anong huwag muna? Ha? Ikaw na muna, sige na. Si Jubel na, o si Jubel, si Maricel. Sino sa inyong dalawa? Ha, bato-bato pick kayong dalawa? Bato-bato pick? Sige, sino matapang dyan? Sino matapang yan? Sino malakas ang loob? O, yun po unahin natin. Ha? Maricel? Ikaw muna?
Sige po, bahala na.
Ayan, o, yan. Para matapos ka agad, di ba? Mas maganda yung mauna kasi tapos ka na kaagad eh. After that, makikinig ka na lang.
Alis ka
Ah,
dyan.
sige, si Maricel muna. Oh, don't forget ha, lahat ng answer nyo, 4 or more sentences dapat related sa question. Nanood ba kayo ng mga speaking videos? Kung nanood kayo, alam nyo na paano sagutin. Kung hindi kayo nanood, malalaman ko din yan mamaya kung paano kayo sumagot. Alright, sige. Mute muna yung iba, si Maricel muna. Okay, mute muna yung iba, si Maricel muna. Alright, let's start. Maricel, can I have your name please?
I'm Maricel Francisco. My name was given to be my mother. She got it from her favorite actor, named Maricel Soriano. She liked that actress because she's very good in dancing. That's why she decided to follow her name and give it to me.
Okay, very good. Oh, nag-practice to, nag-memorize to. Okay. Alright, and where are you from?
Um, I am a Bicolana. I am from in Bicol region, region 5. That's my hometown. And my hometown is famous because the one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Mayon volcano, is located at Alban.
Okay,
And
very
there's
good.
a tourist spot you can find in my hometown.
Okay, and what do you do?
As of now, I am a currently teacher at Robinson Supermarket, and I am promoted as coordinator today, and I am satisfied and happy to do whatever kind of job what I have to do now.
All right, let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about lifestyle and work. What do you do in your free time?
On my free time, since we have a 1 hour break time, I have a lot of time to check my children on my house, if what they are doing, if they are okay, and then if there's had a lot of time, I call my husband since he is in abroad. So even in a little time, we can talk to each other.
Okay, that's good. Do you have a busy social life?
I don't have a busy social life as of now because um, more on my time I spend on work and children also. I priority, even I am working, I want to do my responsibilities to my children so that by that time they can say something about me that Mama, you forgot your responsibility to us. And during weekends, that's the time that I give to them, go out and eat outside to have some to bond with my children.
Okay, very good. Very good. Right. What would you like to change about your lifestyle?
My lifetime, Sometimes I feel tired and I want to go and relax together with my friends, even 2 or 3 days, just a reward to myself.
Okay, okay. Do you get on well with your coworkers?
Yes, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
We are good in terms. They like me much and they like me much. I try to be a good to them so that whatever I do to them, that's also the way they are going to good to me, vice versa.
All right, that's cool. That's cool. Are there good work opportunities in your home country?
Absolutely yes. There's lot of good work opportunity that came and offered to me.
Mm-hmm,
Um,
mm-hmm.
but sometimes when my friends, colleagues that I know that they are already in other country, I did change my mind that I want to go to the other country too. First of all, of course, the high salary that they given, unlike here in our country, the salary that I got is just enough for my family needs.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. This will be your topic. Okay, Maricel, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Um, the person is good, so good to me, is the guardian of my children. I consider that they are almost good and I like him very much because I feel comfortable in even in I'm work because I know that she will take care of my children and do the responsibility that I give to him to her. And when there's somebody emergency, she always make a way to reach me and and let me know what happening in our house. And when my children is in the school, they updated me and if they are already got home and they are already safe and they have it ate at the right time. And aside from that, even I didn't told them to get my children in school. They pursue to or add extra effort to to get to get my children to school and bring home safely. And this person is very kind. She's very respectful. She's not also she's not just taking care of my children. She also teach my children to be good, to be kind, and be um better people someday. She reminds them to do their duties and responsibilities, even even a simple um household chores.
Mhm.
They clean, um they put their clothes on their drawer so that when I get home, I will not make angry. I will not get
Okay.
mad to them. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay. All right. Very good. That's already 2 minutes. More than 2 minutes actually. Good job. Good job. Okay. So okay naman yung speaking test mo. Probably you'll get maybe around 5.5 to 6.0 in that speaking test. Okay, around 5.5. So hindi bababa sa
Sabi ko
5.5
bakit ko
yun.
pinapanood, sir?
Okay. Again, like what I said, basta sumagot ka lang, wag yun nang isipin yung grammar ha. Kasi pag inisip mo pa yung grammar, hindi ka talaga hindi ka makakasagot. Pag inisip mo pa yung grammar kasi mahirap ang grammar eh. Sumagot ka lang kahit mali-mali ang grammar, kahit bali-baliktad pa yan, basta't sumagot ka. The lowest probably that you'll get in speaking is 5.0. Yun ang pinakamababa doon. Okay, good job Maricel. Okay. Yun,
Thank
tapos
you.
na si Maricel. Ngayon, wala nang gustot si Jubel kasi si Jubel na ang sunod. Oh, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-ano, Jubel, ha? Wala. All right, ready ka na, Jubel?
Opo.
Okay, that's cool. Let's start. The rest of you, makinig kayo sa mga answers nila para makakuha kayo ng ideas. Pwede rin naman na sumagot kayo ng inyo lang, isipin nyo lang yung sagot. Okay, let's start, Jubel. What's your name, please?
Good evening, sir. I am Jubel Medina Silmar. My relatives call me Beng. However, my friends call me Bell. Um, my mother got my name from the famous artist during 80s. Her name is Jubel Salvador. I really like my name because it is rare.
Okay, that's cool. And where are you from?
I was born from the vibrant place called Lucena City. It served as the capital of province of Quezon. Um, it has a total population of 287,924 according to census 2020 census. There are 33 barangays in Lucena City.
Okay, that's great. And what do you do?
Prior to my current situation, I used to work in a rural bank over 12 years. But I decided to leave my job to pursue my goal as to work as a healthcare assistant in Ireland.
Okay.
To earn more high salary to provide for my children.
Okay. All right. All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about family. How many people are there in your immediate family?
I have 3 children, and then we are I have 3 children and I have 3 siblings. And then we are all here in the Philippines.
Mhm.
I am the one who is wanted to work in abroad. My parents are still here, but they are already senior.
Okay. Who do you get on best with your family?
I think I got my best from my father.
Mhm.
He's very hardworking and dedicated to his job. And he always make sure that uh, he really cleaned the house. And I got that from my father.
Okay.
And
Okay. Do you have a large extended family?
yes, I do have um, my mother has siblings of 9, and they are all they are still living up to this moment. That is how our family
Okay.
is so big.
All right. All right. What do you do together with your family?
Right now, we are busy because of the school of my children.
Mhm.
I really make sure that I support them while I don't have a regular job right now. I am the one who take cares of my children. Go to school for their lunch and bring them food always. A Monday from Monday to Friday.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Do you do housework at home?
Yeah, yes, sir. I do housework. Especially I have kids. I need to clean the house because I believe that when you are organized in your home, um you can easily move, and your children might not get the bacteria because of the dirty things.
Okay. All right. All right. Do you think children should do housework?
Ah, yes, sir. I teach them to do housework because nowadays children are always in their cell phone, their mobile phone. So I need to go back what my mother taught me. How to wash the dishes, how to how to do their laundry, and how to clean their beds after they woke up in the morning. I thought I teach them that always and
Okay.
remind them.
All right. Very good. Very good. Let's move on to part two of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay. The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. There you go. Okay. Your 1 minute starts now. All right. Your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
um, I took a photo of my youngest daughter last Friday
Mhm.
in her school, which is Mary Hill College. Um, because she joined the creativity career in school. I also take a video of that event because as a mother, I'm so proud of uh, my child because she is always too willing to join the contest. Even she didn't won the contest. She always feel that she wanted to join every contest in the school. She's really active in school, and I think she's very brave. She got that from I think from me. And I really want that photo because she's photogenic. For me, she's a photogenic as a mother. Um, I always I saw that picture. It makes me smile because as a mother, I really wanted my child to develop her confidence. In early age, we need to help our children to develop their confidence, to prepare them for the future. And every event in her school, I really took photo of her, and I really treasure that. I did not erase all her memories in my cell phone.
Okay, okay, very good. That's already 2 minutes. Good job, good job.
Kakakaba.
Nakakaba. At least na-try nyo na, di ba? Para pagdating ng actual test, hindi na kayo gaanong kabado. Probably you'll get 6.0 in that speaking test. Okay, good
Thank you
job.
po.
6.0 in that speaking test. So, yun. Kay Maricel, siguro 5.5 or 6.0 din kay Maricel. Okay,
Okay
very
po.
good. Very good.
Thank you po.
Ganyan lang speaking. Madali lang, di ba? Hindi naman mahirap ang speaking test eh. Walang babagsak sa inyo basta't sumagot lang. Okay?
Thank you.
Next. Dito naman tayo kay Jaylus. Jaylus? Ayan, si Jaylus naman. Ready ka na, Jaylus? Unmute ka muna.
Sige, sir.
Yan, wala ka ng choice. Wala ka ng choice. All right, let's start. Okay. What's your name, please?
My name is Jesus Clark Augustine Mendoza. My name is came from a combination of my parents' names, which is my father's name is JR and my mother's name is Lucena. Some of my friends call me Jai, and my relatives and family call me Sheikh, which means from the Greek word love, based on my mother's thing.
Okay, okay. That's cool. That's cool. And where are you from?
I I'm born and raised in Alicia Isabela, which is part of Luzon in Philippines, and our place is surrounded with rice field. And every first Sunday of the September, we celebrate our festive, and we call it Pagay, which means rice. And our place also called as the Rice Bowl of the North.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And what do you do?
Currently, I'm working here in Singapore. One of the big residential home here in Singapore. And I'm working as a nursing aide. Our work is to take care of our elderly people and assisting them in their daily needs or routines.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about books and advertisements. Do you like reading books?
As of now, because I am working, sometimes I'm reading, but I'm not used to do it. But on my last time when before I came here in Singapore, I used to read for my baby also. But but for my busy days nowadays, I used to read not in the book but in the like social medias.
Okay, okay, okay. What book would you take on a long journey?
Maybe for a long journey, I will took a book about parenthood, maybe
Mhm.
because as a beginner or the as a first timer parent, I should know the things to how to treat or how to discipline my daughter. And I know that in the it is very long for us of now, but at least I have knowledge how to handle it also.
Okay, that's good. That's good. How easy is it for you to read books in English?
Um, uh, Reading English is easier for me because especially now that I am working abroad, we practice also our English, even it's basic or fluency. At least we are trained daily for us to communicate also to our residents. So when I'm reading, it is more easier for me. But sometimes there's a lot of words that I cannot understand the meaning. So I I noted it and try to look for the meaning of it in the Webster or in the Google.
Hey, very good. Do you like watching advertisements?
Yeah, because here every time I have a rest or pastime here in my dormitory, we always watch the advertisements in the Philippines because for us to is our what we call this homesick or missing our family. So we used to watch movies, the Tagalog movies also here. So every time we watch, if there's an advertisement, it reflects us that we are like we are home, we are in our own country also.
Okay, that's great. Will you buy something because of an advertisement?
Opportunity, yes, because sometimes, example, the beauty products, if the artists or the celebrities are more um, famous in our country, we are thinking that this product also is effective for us. That's why I want to buy also the products.
That's good. That's good. All right. Let's move on to part two of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay. The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. This is a very common topic in the actual test. It already came out several times already. Okay, several times. Okay, here we go. All right, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. All right, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can start. Nakamute ka, nakamute ka. Okay, start.
For me, the rule that we need to follow, is wearing uniform, because especially that we are working as in a corporate company, so we need to be noticeable by the other people also. And if the employee is not wearing uniform, in our situation right now as a residential nurse, um, we are easily scolded by our bosses, and they will ask us to do or write incident report. So we should follow the rules, because we always say that it represent our personality and their company as well. Um, the importance of this rule also is for us that the next of kin of our resident will know and respect us as well. Because example, last time one of our colleagues is not wearing the uniform, and what happened is that when the NOK or the kin of the relative of the our resident came, and our colleague explained something about the resident. She's not following, or she never believed, because she said you are not wearing uniform. So it also affects us. And for us, when the manager talked to us, he always tells to us that our uniform should be our key. Very simple thing we need to follow, because um, if you follow this, if you cannot follow other rules or simple
Mhm.
thing, you cannot be successful in life also.
Okay,
And
all right. Very good, very good. That's already 2 minutes. Good job. Oh, magaling si Jaylus sa speaking. Okay. So probably with that speaking test, you might get 6.5 up to 7.0. Okay,
I
6.5 to 7.0. Very good. Oh, galing si Jaylus.
so,
Okay.
nakakaba.
Ayan. At least na-experience mo na sa actual, hindi ka nakakabahan yan.
Yes po.
Ngayon to, actual. Okay, next. Sige, next. Sino mo na? Christian. Christian. Ikaw na, Christian. Sige. Ready na. Let's start. Okay. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Christian J. Babagay. My name Christian.
Medyo mahina. Medyo. Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, again. Okay. Can I have your name, please?
my name is Christian J. Babagay. My name Christian J was given by my uncle, and the Christian is given by my uncle, and my mother given the J. So combination Christian J was from my
Okay.
uncle and my mother.
All right. And where are you from?
I'm from Daet Camarines Norte. We live here almost 6 years now, and we're we're currently supposedly living here permanently because of the beauty of the place, and it makes me relax in this place.
Okay. And what do you do?
I'm currently, sir, working at the municipal as a butcher from our uh, city, but I'm also applying for other country because of the demand of the high salary.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about computers. Do you use computers?
Not really, sir, but I try it when I was in high school. I am playing and searching using the computer
Mhm.
and do our homework and projects.
Okay. Okay. Do people often use computers these days?
Uh, yes, sir. Many of the children and people today was using computer because of the stock knowledge in the computer. Uh,
Okay.
when they didn't know the meaning, they're searching on computer.
All right. All right. Do you think people will continue to use computers in the future?
I think yes, sir, because uh, every year we got many updated computers, and every every year they got more uh,
Mhm.
research about and think for something.
Huh? Okay. Okay. Who's your favorite celebrity?
My favorite celebrity is uh, Coco Martin. I believe of his. I believe in his beauty inside because he helped other people and they make jobs and give the opportunity to have on their film.
Okay. Very good. Do you like any foreign celebrities?
Yes, sir. Like uh, James Bond.
Okay.
He was a good actor and talented.
Okay. Okay. All right. Would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
Maybe, sir, because uh, celebrity is celebrity is very popular and they get earned high salary
Okay.
and famous.
All right. All right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? All right, there you go. That will be your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. And there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
I when describe service, bad service in restaurant, I get the bad service in restaurant when we eat at carinderia in our place. The server was angry and not um not good. And what happened is he give me the food not oh, and I felt very angry because he gave the food to us
Mhm.
by pass muna sir. Nakakabahan ako sir.
Well, continue na. Okay na yun eh. Okay na yun. Continue ka lang. Continue ka lang. Okay na yun eh. Malapit na rin matapos oh. Continue talking lang. Huwag kang mag-stop. Gawa ka lang ng kwento. Sige, continue.
She was not good by serving, and I felt so angry because she was I feeling like
Feeling like?
feeling like um next na lang ako sir.
Malapit ka na matapos. Part 2 ka na ngayon eh. O, di ba? O, okay na yung speaking mo. Konti na lang ang kulang oh. Konti na lang ang kulang nun eh. O, gawa ka lang ng kwento. Pag ganyan sa part 2, para hindi kayo maubos ng ideas, gawa ka ng instance anong nangyari. Okay, the waitress was very rude, who said something bad to me. Okay, I waited for almost 1 hour just to get my food. O, di ba? Gawa ka lang ng kwento. So what I did was I called the manager. I talked to the manager. O, di ba? Ganun oh. O, pag gumawa ka ng kwento, di hahaba yan. Mm.
Yes sir.
Baka kasi ang iniisip mo yung totoong nangyari. Again, you can make stories here ha sa speaking. Make your own story.
Okay sir.
Ay, maayos na yung speaking mo eh. Doon na lang sa part 2 eh. Oh, part 2 na lang yung kulang nun. Pero siguro you can still get maybe 5.0 doon. Okay, maybe 5.0. Hindi mo lang kasi natapos yung part 2 pero naka-answer ka naman sa part 1 tsaka part 2. Alright? So probably 5.0. Practice pa ha, practice pa.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Oh, practice
Sir.
kayo ni Rochelle. Pag nag-away kayong dalawa, mag-Inglesan kayong dalawa. Mag what the fuck kayong dalawa. Sabihin ng mga kapitbahay, sira ulo tong mga 'to, nag-aaway, nag-i-English. O yan, nag-i-English. O sige, next, si Rochelle na sunod. Rochelle. Ikaw na, Rochelle. O, practice kayong dalawa ni Christian, Rochelle, ha?
Yes, sir.
Practice kayo. O, yan. Okay? O, Rochelle, ready ka na?
Ready na lang, sir. Wala na
Wala
lain.
ka ng choice. O, sige. Nahilain. Okay, let's start. Can I have your name, please?
Good evening, sir. My name is Rochelle Marbabagay. My family and close friends calls me Rosh. My name came from the combination of my parents' name. The Ro in my name came from my father's name, which is Ronald, and my Shell in my name came from my mother's name, which is Shella.
Okay, that's cool. And where are you from?
I am currently living now here in Camarines Norte, but I was born in North Cotabato, known as the City of Fruits and Highland Springs, and also where you can see the Mount Apo.
Okay, that's good. And what do you do?
Currently, I am a private caregiver, and I decided to get this job because my auntie pursue me to do this, and also want me to she also want to take me with her.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about movies and music. How often do you go to the cinema?
Mm, uh, once a month, or not too um uh, or sometimes twice a year, like that.
Okay, okay. Are cinema tickets expensive in your country?
Uh, Not too expensive. It's affordable for many people.
Mhm. Okay. Remember, you need to give more answers, 4 or more sentences. Oh, you need to give more answers. All right, next question. Okay. What are the advantages of seeing a film at the cinema?
See, watching movies in cinema, especially when the movie is latest, or the movie is about kids or any educational movies, it can give children um more ideas or good manners. It depends in the movies. Um,
Okay. All right. So, which actor would you like to play you in a film? Which actor would you like to play you in a film?
mm, in which
Oh, sa Tagalog pa, sinong gusto mong maging gumanap na ikaw sa pelikula? Kung gagawin pelikula ang buhay mo, sinong gusto mo maging artista na ikaw?
mm, I think Janice de Belen, because she's a good actress.
Hmm?
She's a veteran actress in our country. She can do all roles that given to her.
Okay,
And
okay. How often do you listen to music?
mm, every day I am listening music. It it relaxes me, or it gives me a peace of mind.
Hmm? Okay. So what's your favorite kind of music?
Pardon please po.
What's your favorite kind of music?
Um, R&B or sweet music. Um,
Mhm.
um, it can help me to relax in my daily activities when I am pressure or stress. It helps me to relax.
Okay, okay. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? This will be your topic. There you go. All right, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
My interesting hobby is baking. It gives me relaxation when I am baking. When I have a free time or vacant time, me and my kids decided to to bake some goodies or sweets like cakes, brownies, cookies, and also it gives us mother and kids bonding. Mm, um,
Just make a story.
when sometimes baking cakes and goodies can give me extra income because I sell the baked goodies. It also helps me to make uh another income to help to provide our daily needs. Mm.
Hmm?
Mm.
Okay. All right, that's already 2 minutes. O pag ganyan, sabi ko, di ba, pwede kayong gumawa ng kwento. Pwede mo sabihin, there was one time, okay, me and my kids cooked or baked. O, di ba, ganun, gawa ka lang ng kwento. We were very happy doing, my daughter was blah, blah, blah. I was preparing the blah, blah, blah. O, di ba? O, kapag gumawa ka ng kwento, hahaba siya. Pero related pa rin siya dun sa topic, di ba? So, mas madali siya. O, ganun gawin nyo, ha? Lahat kayo, ganun ang gawin nyo kasi pagdating sa actual test, baka mamaya makalimutan nyo. So, mas maganda na mag-isip ka agad kayo ng isang instance o isang example. Oh, there was one time when we were baking some cookies. Me and my kids were baking cookies. It was actually Sunday because we were planning to go to the beach. O, di ba? Oh, kwento ka na kaagad. Madali na siya. Pag nasanay ka na sa ganyan, madali lang siya. Kasi ako, sanay kasi ako sa ganyan, gumawa ng kwento na kapag nag-speaking test. Okay? O, kaya
Oo, wala.
dito nyo ilabas yung pagkasinungaling nyo sa sa speaking, ha? Okay? Okay, good job. Pero makakaano ka pa rin yan. Medyo habaan mo yung answer mo, lalo na sa part 1, ha, Rochelle? Yung
Basta.
kay Christian, medyo okay yung part 1 ni Christian, oh. Medyo okay yung part 1 ni Christian. Siguro sa speaking test na yan, baka maka 5.0 ka din. Okay, 5.0. Konting practice pa, nood pa ng mga videos. O si Maricel, nanood ng mga videos. O di okay yung speaking ni Maricel. O, di ba? Si Jubel, nanood ka rin Jubel ng mga videos?
Nung umpisa lang po, hindi ko natapos.
Hindi mo natapos.
Kakapanood ko
Okay.
pa lang.
Okay, all right. Very good. Sige, next. O, last si Ezekiel. Ezekiel.
Nonood na lang ako, sir.
Sige, panoorin mga videos. Okay, Ezekiel. Ikaw na lang natira. Wala ka na magagawa.
sir.
Wala ka na magagawa.
Bad
All right,
talaga.
let's start. Okay, sige. Ikaw na lang natira eh. Wala ka na magagawa. Let's start. Okay? What's your name, please?
I'm Ezekiel G. Nicomedes. Mm, My friends call me Essie, and my family and relatives call me Kiel or Inkoy. My name, based from the Bible, that means strength of God. And my grandmother gave that name to me because uh, she is so very religious person. And suddenly, my grandmother passed away 5 years ago. And so that name is so very meaningful to me.
Okay, good. That's good. And where are you from?
Uh, currently, I live here in Tagaytay City, but I born in Valenzuela City. And my parents decide to live here in Tagaytay because of their work. Tagaytay is the one of the famous tourist destination here in the Philippines because of the um, Taal volcano, the view of Taal volcano, and our foods like bulalo and fried tawilis.
Okay, very good. And what do you do?
As of now, sir, I'm a work in a supermarket as a butcher. It's almost 6 years, and we prepare um, different type of meats and cuts to serve our customer to be happy to their cut.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about indoor activities and transportation. Do you prefer public transportation or private transportation?
I think, sir, it's most convenient to private transportation because you make uh, own own time to travel, and you you all this you don't have to spend more time to transport public transportation. You waiting in a public transportation.
Okay, okay. What's the most popular means of transportation in your hometown?
I think it's jeep, sir, like that, and the tricycle, because many people here in Tagaytay is live in uh, what do you call this? Um, do you call the nayon, sir?
Mhm.
Sa long um sa very far away to the city, and you travel uh travel a tricycle to go the city, sir.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Is it easy to catch a bus in your country?
Uh, I think, sir, it's depend on the bus or the bus to transport, because many here in my uh, my city, some minimal to uh, minimal, and it's more on jeep and bicycle.
Okay. Is driving to work popular in your country?
Excuse me?
Is driving to work popular in your country?
Driving to work, yes.
Mm.
For me, sir, it is yes. In because lot of people here in my city is my own car to travel to work
Mm-mm.
and become easily to get to their own work.
Okay, okay. Do you like indoor activities?
Yeah, I like I- indoor activities.
Mm.
Yes, I like I playing games in my cell phone and playing with my friends and like online games like ML and COD.
Okay, all right. All right, all right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. Okay. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? All right, there you go. That will be your topic. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Some uh, recently the good news I received is to my I'm passing initial interview in
Mm.
Ireland. That's um Ma'am Sarah's Mountain Peak agency. Ma'am Sarah emailed me because he took me uh, resume and I'm qualified to the job the job description he made up and
Okay.
I thankful because I passed the initial interview because that is so very um, blessed and um, very important to me because may to provide my family needs like what I said, family needs and
Okay, naputol.
and
Mhm.
I gave the opportunity to work and mm, work and to travel to that place and I give my my family um as a great future.
Okay, that's good. That's already 2
Um,
minutes. Okay. Oh, good job. Okay naman yung part 1 mo. Maganda yung part 1 mo. Maganda yung sagot mo sa part 1 eh. Sa part 2 medyo nangaling ka sa part 2, pero okay sana yung
yes,
idea
sir.
mo eh. Okay yung answer mo
Ah,
eh. Kaya lang yung pag-deliver lang ang problema, di ba?
no, sir.
Pag-deliver.
Putol-putol.
Oo, doon ka lang pero maayos naman yung part 1 mo. Sa part 2, yung pag-deliver lang ang problema mo. Tama yung idea, yung pag-deliver
Ah,
lang. Probably with that
sir.
speaking test, you can still get maybe 5.5 to 6.0. Okay? Oh, good job. Anong trabaho sa Mountain Peak?
Butcher, sir. Ireland.
Kasi nandito sa akin yung mga applicants ng Mountain Peak.
Yes, sir.
Nandito yung mga estudyante ng mga Mountain Peak nandito sa akin. Nag-aaral
IELTS
sila
lang
sa
to
akin.
ang hinahanap sa akin ni Sara, sir. Eh.
Oh, IELTS na lang. Oh, IELTS. Kailangan talaga ng IELTS doon. Okay, good job guys. So lahat naman kayo pumasa sa speaking. Walang babagsak sa inyo. Okay, good job. Ayan. So bigyan ko kayo ng writing task 1. Sinend ko sa group chat. Tingnan nyo dyan. Nasa group chat. Okay. So writing task 1 is 20 minutes only. 20 minutes only. Strict yan sa IELTS test ha. Dapat 20 minutes talaga. Okay? Okay na. So you can start. Sige, you can start. Writing task 1 yan ha. Letter writing. So end time will be 8:02. 8:02. Dapat tapos na lahat ng 8:02. Okay? I'll just drink water. Sandali lang.